Good. Let's design a mini fall centerpiece today. Okay, we have the bronze container and the Lincoln pot. It does not come with foam in the kit because the foam is only using 1/3 of a brick. You may have a small piece at home, but the foam is linked if you would need it. It comes with a pumpkin pick spray, 2 of the full stems. Is this an anemone, I think? We had the stems removed here, so these are shortened.
Anemone.
But they are the purpley toned anemone. And this little spray, which is a fun little weed effect item. And a bundle of 3 stems that are mini leaves in a weathered white gray finish, of which I lost one piece. We'll find him later. And that is the set that comes together, just like so. The moss is sold separately. Just a little scrap of moss. You don't need much. You may have that at home too, and you don't need a whole bag. So to assemble it, we're gonna use some glue off camera here to dip. The foam chunk was glued in. If you don't wanna make it permanent, you sure don't have to glue it. Just tuck it in there. And our pumpkin pick is gonna be offset to one side. It does have some nice fillers attached to it, thankfully, so that helps a lot. That's a bigger stem, so I'm gonna stick that one in first. Then top it in with a little moss. You could use green sheet moss, you could use no moss, and just try to get the leaves to nestle down and hide your foam also. Or use some additional scrap leaves, that could work too. Then let's put in our filler stem since it's the next fullest thing here. There we go. We're gonna get that guy. This is gonna be a little bit of an asymmetrical design, so offset to one side. That is the center of the pot, so a left and a right item of the center. Then we're gonna fan our 2 anemone stems through the center as well. Here we go. And I'm gonna add the second one in the middle. Side by side probably works best. You can always sort of arrange them and spiral them around later also. There we go. Okay. Now those little anemones are just meant to look weedy and natural. So in order to shape them, you can actually use a little curling method on the stem. If you give the stem a small little curl around your finger, it helps you kind of point and direct the heads of the stems whichever way you want. It gives it a bit more decorative flair too. So we've got them sort of fanning out and around that way. Then you've got 3 chunks of filler stems. So you cut those off and pop those in. Make sure when you insert them that you're getting the bottom leaf all the way onto the foam, because that's gonna help you fill it in the best. Your design, the leaves, if they lay on the foam, will look more full. There's one there. There's one here. Just kind of fan them around the pumpkin spray, depending how full you want it. If you want it a smaller design in the end, then maybe cut a couple of these stems in half to make it more condensed is the word. Condensed and compact together in one word. There we go. That is it. A simple little design with some soft color. There we have it.